बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मॉडल पेपर नंबर 74। अहमद खान खरल ऑफ नीली बार वाजे वो कौन थे? एक फ्रीडम फाइटर थे। दोबारा सुने, अहमद खान खरल ऑफ नीली बार वाजा फ्रीडम फाइटर। बैटल ऑफ पैलिजी was fought in 1787 by Robert Cliff against सिराजुद्दीन। दोबारा सुने, बैटल ऑफ प्लीजी जो कि 1787 में लड़ी गई, किसके दरमियान? रॉबर्ट क्लिफ ने सिराजुद्दीन के खिलाफ लड़ी। ठीक है। द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार वाज फाउट बिटवीन 1939 से 1945 तक। एस्टिमेट नंबर ऑफ सर्विस पर्सनल एंड सिविलियंस किल्ड इन द सेकेंड वर्ल्ड वार वाज 75 मिलियन। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन, होची मिन वाज द इंडिपेंडेंस लीडर ऑफ वाइटनम। होची मिन वाज द इंडिपेंडेंस लीडर ऑफ वाइटनम। द हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ जीसीसी इज इन रियाद। Old name of Sri Lanka was Ceylon. The headquarters of World Trade Organization is in Geneva. Area-wise, the largest country in the world, that is Russia. Ancient city of Byzantium is today known as Istanbul. The ancient city of Byzantium is today known as Istanbul. Chinese currency is known as yuan. United Nations General Assembly meets every year for the new session in which month? That is in September. The capital city of Cuba is Havana. ECO Secretariat is located in Tehran. Astana is the capital city of Kazakhstan. Humayun-Nama was written by Gulbadan Begum. Agartala city, made famous by 1968 conspiracy case, is located in India. Kamran Baradari is located in Lahore, is named after Humayun's brother. Allama Anayatullah Mashriqi was the founder of Khaksar movement. The continent Antarctica lies at South Pole. Aden, Aden. Aden is the port city of Yemen. Abdel Fattah al-Sisi is the president of Egypt. Suez Canal connect Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Next one, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the name of Pakistan is buried in Cambridge. Who coined the name of Pakistan is buried in Cambridge. Two kings of Hindustan are buried in Lahore. One is Jahangir and other is Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay, next one, Emperor Babur's last resting place in Kabul. Sher Shah Suri is buried in Sasaram. Emperor Akbar was born in Umarkot. Who was the last viceroy of British India? That is Lord Mountbatten. Okay, next one, word meanings, synonyms. First one, calligraphy. What is calligraphy? Calligraphy means handwriting. Demise, D-E-M-I-S-E. Demise mean death. Incendiary mean causing fire. Surmise, S-U-R-M-I-S-E. Surmise, guess. Touchstone, criterion. Mean criterion. Next one is antonym, opposite meaning. Concord is the opposite of variance. Hypocrisy, uprightness. Fluid, frozen. Onerous, O-N-E-R-O-U-S. Onerous, light. Gregarious, lonesome. Yogurt is produced by adding bacteria to the milk. All that glitters is not gold. Okay, that is the preposition. Where there is a will, there is a way. Sherlock Holmes was a dash. Sherlock Holmes was a private detective. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. Pakistan won the first hockey medal in Olympic Games of 1960, that is held in Rome. The legendary football player Pelé is from which country? That is from Brazil. Next one, who is called the breadman of Asia? That is Zahir Abbas. Who is called the breadman of Asia? A person named Zahir Abbas. Dilute acetic acid is the chemical name of vinegar. Lactometer is an instrument for measuring density of milk. Lactometer is an instrument that is used for measure the density of milk. Bronzy is an alloy of copper and tin. Bronzy is an alloy of copper and tin. Ampere is a unit of electric current. Oasis is associated with desert. Name the famous book of Al-Biruni, where detail Hindu religion and culture. That is Kitabul Hind. Okay, Kitabul Hind is written by Al-Biruni. Next one, the instrument which measure very high temperature is called pyrometer. The instrument that is used to measure very high temperature, that is called pyrometer. Chemical which kill rats and mice, that is rodents. Eugenesis. Eugenesis is the study of unborn babies. Eugenesis is the study of unborn babies. In a railway track, two rails are joined end to end with the gap in between them because of accident due to expansion of track can be avoided. Accidents due to expansion of track can be avoided. Who won the last World Kabaddi tournament? That is by India. Scrabble is a board game. Scrabble, Scrabble, Scrabble is a board game. Steve Jobs associated with computer. Computer memory is measured in GB. The terabyte is equal to 1000 GB. Silicon Valley is in USA, California. Google is a search engine. K.K. Aziz was a famous historian. K.K. Aziz was a famous historian. At birth, Dilip Kumar was named Yusuf Khan. At birth, Dilip Kumar was named as Yusuf Khan. Shah Rukh Khan's ancestral town is in Peshawar. Durpan and Khayal are terms of music. Durpan and Khayal are terms of music. Who composed the music for the movie Mughal-e-Azam? That is Naushad Ali. Who composed the music for the movie of Mughal-e-Azam? That is Naushad Ali. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Gandhi called off Khilafat movement in 1922 because a mob had set a police station fire. Where? That is in Chora Chori Vakya. In 1937 election, All India Muslim League got percent of the Muslim seats, that is 5. In 1937 election, All India Muslim League got 5% of the Muslim seats. Allama Iqbal went for Hajj, that is never. Now or Never was a pamphlet written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Katas Raj monument near Chakwal are sacred to which religion? That is Hinduism. Katas Raj, that is a monument near Chakwal, is a sacred place. Which religion? That is Hinduism. LNG. LNG refer to motor fuel. Ricodik is a site of copper and gold. Ricodik is a site of copper and gold. The Gorakh Hill is located in Sindh. Gorakh Hill is located in Sindh. Rehana was the birthplace of General Ayub Khan. Rehana was the birthplace of General Ayub Khan. Sir Syed founded the Translation Society in 1864 in which city? That is in Ghazipur. Sir Syed founded Translation Society in 1864, the scientific society, that is in Ghazipur. When did Pakistan become a republic? That is in 23rd March 1956. Who was the foreign minister of Pakistan? Sir Zafarullah Khan, the only Pakistani film maker to get an Oscar award, that is a Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy. Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy. दोबारा सुन लीजिए. The only Pakistani female film maker to get an Oscar award, that is Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy. The terrorist group Al-Shabaab is based in Kenya. The terrorist group Al-Shabaab is based in Kenya. ISIS is a terrorist network. ISIS is a terrorist network. Next one, उर्दू में नज़ीर अकबर आबादी का आबाई शहर कौन सा है? वो है दिल्ली. नज़ीर अकबर आबादी का आबाई शहर कौन सा? दिल्ली. नावल उदास नस्लें का मुसन्नफ़ कौन है? अब्दुल्ला हुसैन. नावल उदास नस्लें का मुसन्नफ़ अब्दुल्ला हुसैन. सरदार बशन सिंह का किरदार सआदत हसन मंटू के किस अफसाने में मिलता है? टोबा टेक सिंह. सरदार बशन सिंह का किरदार सआदत हसन मंटू के अफसाना टोबा टेक सिंह में मिलता है. मजीद अमजद की ज़िंदगी में शाया होने वाला शायरी का वाहिद दीवान कौन सा था? शब रफ्ता. मजीद अमजद की ज़िंदगी में शाया होने वाला शायरी का वाहिद दीवान शब रफ्ता. कौमी तराना का खालिक हफीज़ जलंधरी कहाँ दफन है? लाहौर में. कौमी तराने के खालिक हफीज़ जलंधरी लाहौर में. मशरिक और मगरिब के नगमे किस शायर की तसनीफ़ है? मीरा जी के. मशरिक और मगरिब के नगमे किस शायर की तसनीफ़ है? मीरा जी के. थैंक्स।